The reality behind remote spy apps.
Hello there, digital explorers. Today, we're delving into a question many of you have asked. What are the best spy apps that can be installed without access to the target phone? Now, before we delve into this, it's important to remind everyone that any form of spying, without consent, is a violation of privacy and it's illegal in most jurisdictions. This information is intended to educate you on the subject and promote healthy discussions about digital privacy.
Can you install spy apps without access to the target phone?
The straight answer is, no, it's not possible. In the context of smartphone technology, no legitimate app allows you to install it remotely on a target device. Regardless of what some websites or ads may claim, this is technically impossible due to the security measures that operating systems like iOS and Android have in place.
Why is remote installation not possible?
The primary reason is security. Both Android and iOS systems have built-in security measures that prevent remote installations. To install an app, you usually need to grant permissions manually, which ensures that no unwanted or harmful software is installed on your device without your knowledge. It's an essential protection against malware and cyber threats.
What about apps that claim to offer this?
It's important to remember that any app claiming to offer remote installation of spy software is likely a scam, trying to deceive you into purchasing a product that doesn't work. In worse cases, these could be attempts to infect your own device with malware or steal your personal information. Always be cautious and research extensively before downloading any app, especially ones that make such grand claims. In the digital world, privacy and security are paramount. Always remember, spying on someone without their consent is not just unethical, it's also illegal. The information shared in this video is intended for awareness and educational purposes. Stay safe, stay informed, and remember, your privacy matters.